Babe, it feels so good out here. We are all alone. Hey, what are you doing?
What I do? What you mean? You came on to
You are
me.
going too fast. I don't think we should do this
again. Hey. How y'all doing? I didn't even mean to bother y'all. I just wanted to say how good
what you
y'all
doing
look.
here? Hey, chill,
I
Jamal.
don't go that way, but I love seeing young love. Ha!
Who are you? What the?
Oh, I'm just from the area, but I don't think you should hold out on each other. Just do it. It won't hurt nobody, and y'all young. I'm so sorry to have bothered y'all. Lord knows I wasn't trying to be nosy. I I I just saw y'all talking from a distance, and I think you all should go all the way. You only have one life to live. I was in love once, and I only wish I would have done all I could have to have kept her. But excuse me, before I go, y'all wouldn't have $10 for me to get something to eat. Oh, okay.
Okay. Look, Jamal, it's not that I do not want to have sex with you. I'm just nervous. But he's right. I love you. Let's do it. With condom or no condom, let's go all the way. Who are you?
I am Lily Springs, the daughter of Mother Nature. But who you don't know is that vagabond over there.
What are you doing here?
Oh no, honey. As long as I am here, these boys will not be touched.
Silence!
Oh, honey, bring it. Bring it.
Let's get out of here.
Oh,
Jamal!
Enough.
Oh, Lily, are you okay, dear?
Yes, Mother, I'm fine.
Is it dead?
That is Hivey, known as HIV. It is just weak, but it will return. But there are ways to prevent it from spreading.
it is important to know your status. Please get tested. People are testing positive every day from an STI, STD, and HIV, and only you can put an end to this. There are many test centers in your city and many ways to enjoy sex with your lover or partner while still being protected.